Here I have OPPO Reno5 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly you have to select your preferred language. I just stay with English, then tap next. Then you have to select your region. So pick your region, tap next. Then you have to agree with user agreement and privacy, security and protection. Tap next. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around you, you can just skip this step for now and do this anytime later. Okay, so you have to connect to the Wi-Fi. So let's do it. Tap next. Then you have this Wi-Fi Assistant feature. You can enable it or you can just leave it be disabled. Tap next. Then you can copy apps and data from your previous device, but if you don't want to do this, you can just skip this step and don't copy. Then you can add your Google account, but if you don't have one, you can create one here, or you can just skip this step and don't add any Google account at all. Then you have Google services. These services are to store your data and everything else. So just disable all these features, and then you have to, in any case, agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Tap accept. Then you have to choose your search provider. So let's pick Google, I guess. Then you can set up your screen lock. You can set password, fingerprint or face unlock, but you can also skip this step and do this later in settings. Then you can enable auto updates overnight, but you can also just skip this feature and maybe enable it later in settings. Then you can import your data from your previous device one more time, or you can just skip this step. And finally your device is ready to be used. Tap get started, and now here it is. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.